Hi, my name is Patrick Corder here at MarineMax Stuart. Today behind me I have a 2023 36 Aviara. Got a gorgeous blue, navy blue hull with a white mid-stripe, as well as the navy blue hardtop. If you make your way this way, we'll get on the boat and I'll show you inside. So different from the 32 Aviara, this boat's going to be a triple engine boat, powered with Mercury 300 Verados, upgraded to the white paint. Underneath me you'll notice the brown digital sea deck. And we have some gorgeous stadium seating back here. So these backrests will flip up. Can sit, talk to everybody hanging on the back of the boat, and then you have this kind of stadium style, so you can actually sit about 6 people back here all off the back of the boat, which is really nice. Designated storage underneath here. You're gonna have space for your fenders, so real nice and neat, gets them out of the way, super easy to grab them. Make our way through here. Aviara is known for being the day boat, the modern day boating, so you're gonna have a lot of speakers, open floor plan, super easy access everywhere you look. This particular boat, you have a grill set up. You can do a fridge on either side. Again, plenty of storage space. Here, the other side, you'll have a trash can, as well as here you have your summer kitchen. So everything's nice out and open, kind of like outside on your patio. Underneath here, a nice designated Aviara cooler. Things I love about this boat. So sub here, speaker up there. We walk past the speaker, so you can't tell where all the music's coming from, but once you start looking, you'll notice how well equipped this boat is for sound system. Here at the helm, this particular boat, you have the Mercury joystick, you have a VHF, Mercury digital throttle. This SIMRAD unit is going to be for your engine data. You have the SIMRAD unit here, MFD, and then here's going to be your Aviara controls. Bilge pump, lights, music, etc. So real nice setup, clean looking dash. And then, unlike the 32, the 36, you're going to have an actual cabin down below, so you can overnight for 2 people. And a nice size head in there. I'm about 6 foot, and I have just enough headspace in here, so which is really nice. Changing room for the ladies. Another thing here that you'll notice, huge windshield. Keep everybody nice and dry for those rough days that come out of nowhere here in South Florida. And then up here, as you make your way into the bow area, nice high gunnels. They're up to my chest, so you feel real nice and comfortable for the kids. And then you can do right here a little centerpiece that turns this into a nice sunbed lounger if you'd like. If you'd like to see this boat in person, again, my name is Patrick Corder with MarineMax Stuart. Thank you for watching the video. You can give us a call at 772-287-4495. Thank you for watching.